Introduction to Astronomy, an enthralling exploration of the cosmos. Astronomy is like a magical doorway that leads us to the vast and magnificent world beyond the confines of our planet. It's an exciting and expansive scientific field that focuses on the study of celestial objects, the phenomena that occur outside the Earth's atmosphere, and the development of methods to explore the universe. This introductory video will help you understand the basics of astronomy in straightforward terms and fascinating detail. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the scientific study of everything in the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. This includes objects we can see with our naked eyes, like the sun, the moon, the stars, and the planets, as well as things we can't see without special equipment, like galaxies, asteroids, black holes, and nebulae. Astronomy also studies phenomena that occur outside the Earth's atmosphere, such as cosmic radiation. There's a common misconception that astronomy and astrology are the same things, but they're not. Astrology is a belief system that suggests there's a relationship between human behavior and the positions of celestial bodies. Astronomy, on the other hand, is a science that uses observation and analysis to understand the physical and chemical properties of celestial bodies and the mechanisms that govern the universe. Branches of astronomy. Astronomy has several branches, each focusing on a particular area of study. Astrophysics studies the physics of the universe, including the physical properties, luminosity, density, temperature, and chemical composition of celestial bodies and their interactions. Cosmology focuses on the study of the universe as a whole, its origin, evolution, and eventual fate. Planetary science or planetology is the scientific study of planets, including Earth, moons, and planetary systems and the processes that form them. Stellar astronomy concentrates on the stars and their evolution. Galactic astronomy is the study of our Milky Way galaxy and its structure. Extragalactic astronomy involves studying everything outside our galaxy, including other galaxies. Astrometry focuses on the precise measurements of the positions and movements of stars and other celestial bodies. How do astronomers study the universe? Astronomers use various methods and tools to study the universe. The primary tool is the telescope, which has evolved significantly since its invention in the early 17th century. Telescopes help astronomers to magnify distant objects, collect more light, and observe wavelengths of light that are not visible to the naked eye. Observatories, which house these telescopes, are often situated in high-altitude locations to avoid as much of Earth's atmosphere as possible. Some telescopes are even placed in space, like the Hubble Space Telescope, to avoid atmospheric disturbances altogether. Astronomers also use techniques like spectroscopy, which is the study of the interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiation, to determine the composition, temperature, and velocity of celestial objects. Moreover, astronomers have embraced technology's evolution and increasingly rely on computer science. For instance, astrophysics and computational astrophysics involve the use of computer simulations to test theories and model celestial phenomena. Why is astronomy important? Studying astronomy has numerous benefits. It helps us understand our place in the universe and prompts us to think critically about how we exist within it. Scientifically, it aids in comprehending the laws of nature, how planets orbit the sun, how stars evolve over time, how galaxies form, and how the universe came to be. These lessons can often have implications and applications in physics and other areas of science. Astronomy also has practical benefits. For example, studying asteroids helps us assess the potential threat to Earth. Satellites in space help us forecast weather, communicate over long distances, and navigate our world. Lastly, astronomy encourages curiosity, exploration, and a desire for discovery. It's a humbling and inspiring field, showcasing the beauty of the cosmos and the vastness of the universe. Astronomy is an awe-inspiring scientific field that allows us to explore the endless wonders of the universe. It invites us to ask profound questions about our existence, origins, and destiny, and challenges us to continually push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we look up at the night sky, it reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the exciting mysteries it holds, mysteries that we, as curious beings, have the privilege of unraveling.